what's up? I hope you all are doing good on today. In this video, I am styling this wig. I was sent from West Kiss Hair. Big shout out to them. Thank you so much for sending me out this unit. They sent me out their Body Wave 13 by 4 lace front wig. I have a 250% density in my wig, and the length I have is 30 inches. I believe this is their HD lace wig as well. Okay, the lace is thin on this. I feel like it's a great quality Swiss lace where it's thin, but I'm not sure if it's HD lace. But this is their HD lace on their site. I decided to style this hair by pressing the hair out bone straight, and I styled it in a side part. Again, this is a lace front wig, so you don't get as much parting space on this wig, but you get enough. It does suffice. I did use the Bedhead Hardhead Spray to apply my wig for a glueless install. I did want to mention with this wig, for me, the knots on the wig were thicker than I liked. I hate when the knots are thick. I like them to be like single knotted or just very fine. But the knots were thick on this bad boy. But one thing I can say is it was not difficult to pluck the knots, because sometimes when the knots are thick, it's so hard to pluck them, and you can run the risk of putting a hole in your lace. But it wasn't hard for me to pluck them after I bleached my knots. But the knots were thick, so I just wanted to give you all a heads up on that. And here I'm just taking some leftover makeup powder that was on my brush and pushing that into my lace just to help it blend a little bit more with my skin. Then I took some spritz and used that to press out my hairline area and around my part to make everything flat. I just went back in and straightened his hair a little bit more just to get it a little bit straighter, which it was already straight, but you know, when you put it on just to get any little leftover bumps and grooves, I just used my flat iron to get those out. But yeah, y'all, this is the video on this install. I do hope that it was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them on down below. Again, big thank you to West Kiss Hair for sending me out this unit. I appreciate you all, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much. I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.